Can you just churn the cream of curd, milk with rock sugar and consume this mixture to increase weight on empty stomach around 11 a.m. or after lunch?
You see, typically the thing is why 11 a.m. Why the question has come as 11 a.m. or why after lunch? Very simple. We need to consume food only when we are hungry. That is a baseline. We need to keep that. Okay. When stomach is empty, it may be 11 a.m. or it may be 7 a.m. Whatever it is. If you are feeling hungry, if you want to increase the body weight and that, then definitely this type of combination definitely helps because it improves kapha tattvas in the body. So it can be taken, but provided you should have sufficient agni to digest these things. So cream of the curd or cream and all these things, mixing with the sugar and churning it and making into something like a lassi, consuming it at 11 a.m. If you are on empty stomach and if you are feeling hungry, definitely you can take it. But after lunch, be cautious. If it is really you are feeling hungry, then you can go for it. Maybe after 3 hours after the food, but it is not soon after the lunch.
Thank you, sir.